Hello friends, welcome to my channel all about electronics. Today we will discuss about PLC trainer kit and how to use it. So you can see the PLC from the company Delta Electronics. It is a model number DVP14SS. There are 6 outputs and 8 inputs in this PLC. As you can see over here that from starting from the top, these all are the inputs and these all are the outputs. Now, as you can see over here that this line indicates that the PLC is on, and if I turn off this switch, that means the PLC gets off. So this is the switch for on and off the PLC. So this is for on and off operation. This is for the emergency operation, like in case of some failure and other things. So when I press this switch, you can see here that the PLC gets off. That means emergency has occurred. Now when I reset this switch again, then the PLC gets on. So this switch basically in case of emergency. Now starting from here, we can see over here that this is the input x0 up to x5. As you can see here that x1, x2 to x5, and these uh, inputs can be interfaced with some sensors and limit switch, etc. And basically we have to interface them with the help of inputs. Any signal that can give input can be connected to these pins. So moving ahead, we can see here that under that inputs, all the things are outputs. As you can see over here that all these buttons are giving the signal to these inputs. And coming back to this is the output, and every output has some common. So for example, C0, Y0, and again C1, Y1, C2, Y2, Y3, Y4, and Y5. So we are about 6 outputs in this PLC. So we can connect any output like bulb, we can interface motor and other outputs. And the communication is done with the help of RS232 cable. This is the cable which is used for programming purpose as well here, and these all are the outputs indicators. So whenever the power output is on, these indicators gets on. So now this is the button for on the input, for passing the input 1 to the PLC. When I press this one, you can see over there the input 1 is on. Now when I press the switch again, the input 3 is on, and when I these are the push buttons. When I pushes this button, then the further inputs are again on. So these basically are the buttons for passing the inputs, and these buttons are for passing for indication of the outputs. So in this way we can easily test our experiment with this help of trainer kit. And this is the power source of 24 VDC that is me connected from the power source. So in this way we can easily uh, do our experiment with the help of PLC. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.